Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's a much pleasure to be here. This is my first time to Batiri. Even though we talk a lot about Batiri back in Sula and we talk about food processors. And I'd like to essentially not make a long speech, but to say that government is very much focused on ensuring that we deliver sustainable livelihoods, we ensure food security, and we are able to create jobs by developing relationships and strategically assisting organizations and companies like food processors, and also being able to work together with the private sector to ensure that all these objectives are met. As the chair has highlighted the food processors, that there is a renewed interest and indeed a strategic objective to reinvest in Batiri. COVID-19, of course, is, as the lady who said the prayer talked about COVID-19. Most of the countries in the world are facing a huge crisis. We, by God's grace, are very lucky. We don't actually have any COVID-19 cases at all in Fiji, in the community. And I think many Fijians don't realize what people are going through in those countries where they have COVID-19 cases. They aren't able to sit around like this. The elderly are suffering. People are wearing masks. People can't go to work. A number of those types of situations are facing people. There are lockdowns. Whereas in Fiji, we have the wonderful opportunity to be able to, still interact the way we used to. There are, of course, some health measures in place. And from government's perspective, our main objective is to ensure that those health risks continue to be managed. At the same time, of course, we have to manage the economic risks. If you go to Levu, a lot of you may have been there or may not necessarily know about it, but a lot of people in Levu, for example, have lost jobs because of the tourism sector coming to a standstill. So what we are doing is, apart from providing unemployment benefits, etc., we're also investing in companies like Food Processing Limited. Food Processing Limited is 100% owned by the Fijian government. But of course it runs independently with its board of directors, its chair. And again, like I said, we're here to assist. We believe that, for example, the chair highlighted about Garuka, of course getting into the Batiri, famous Batiri oranges, EV, whether it's bongo chilies, they make chili sauce, sweet hot chili sauce. It's sold in USA for $5 or $7 a can or a bottle. A lot of opportunities in that respect. I didn't think I'd catch that. A lot of opportunities in that respect. So those of you who are here, who are farmers, who may be linked to this particular farm, please work together with them, work together with the people over here. And we, of course, can not only improve the quality of food available in Fiji and the sustainability of it, but also help their livelihoods. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the chair. The chair is also, a food president, is also the chair of Fiji Rice. We were just down in Raketi, meeting up with them, opened up a warehouse. And I'd like to once again thank him for the energy that is brought, including his staff at Food Processors. And we look forward to working together with them to ensure that the company makes strides in the new areas. So thank you once again for coming here, and I look forward to meeting you this afternoon. Thank you.
To present a token of appreciation to the...
We need to export some money, we need some grants by the implement.
3 months or so, our trading results have gone up.
इतना आया है उतना हुआ उधर जम रहे right to the end. Oh, that's good.